Welcome to qnawire.
If you're looking to find h of x where it's f of g of x, then I'm going to say h equals f of g, and that equals f of g of x. And f of g of x would be f of g of x is the square root of 2 minus x. And now we're going to substitute the square root of 2 minus x in for x into the f function. So that would look like log base 2 of 4 times the square root of 2 minus x. And that would be squared. Now, log base 2 of 4 times the square root of 2x minus, or the square root of 2 minus x squared. Well, the square root of anything squared just counteracts. So that's the same thing as log base 2 of 4 times 2 minus x, which is equal to log base 2 of 8 minus 4x. And so that is your h of x function right there. Now for the domain and range, for the input g of x, well, you can only square root values starting at 0. So if x is 2, you get 0. And then anything less than that will be giving you a bigger and bigger number that you can actually square root. Anything bigger than 2 is not valid to put into the domain of f because of g's restrictions. And so you could start at 2. However, if you put in 0, which if you put in 2 for x into the g function, you're going to get 0. And if you put in 0 here, you're going to get log base 2 of 0, which that doesn't work. So essentially, you're just not going to include 2. But anything up to that's fair game. So the domain is from negative infinity to 2 not included. And the range would be all reals. So from negative infinity to infinity.